Welcome to another segment of Whose Line Is This Anyway? And this category is sound effects. And today we have Shadsos11 and BGal243 doing sound effects. And we have Mephistan and Brandon being the actors. Now here's the story. Brandon and Mephistan, you two are running away from a bunch of police for attempting to stick someone's car keys into a manhole. Now, Tom, you're going to be making sound effects for Brandon, and Bigal, you're to make sound effects for Mephistan. If they are to do any kind of action or say any kind of action, you're to, right after, make a sound effect for them. Okay. So, let's begin this game in 3, 2, 1.
Who am I doing again?
Mephistan.
I'm doing Brandon.
Okay.
You got those car keys?
Yeah, I got him right here.
All right, let's do it real quick.
You can tell me the keys for the jingling.
All right, cool. Come on.
Jiggly, 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 jiggly sound. Jiggly, jiggly, jiggly.
Come on, faster.
Jiggly, jiggly.
But his keys sound really wonky.
I'm not doing it right. Let me show you. You can do it like this.
Yeah, I'll break these keys later. Okay, what do we gotta do?
I don't know. Let's go to the next manhole. Let's go.
Okay.
Go on. Ready?
I should probably bang these keys in the little intersector so I can lift it up. Yeah. I don't know why it's not making any noise.
Try it harder. You gotta shove it right in there. Come on, put some muscle into it. Twist it if you have to.
Oh my.
Wow, I didn't expect that to happen.
It's no use. This manhole's jammed.
What the hell is with these manholes?
Fine, you take the keys.
Fine, I'll take. We gotta find another manhole. You see anyone around? Oh, there's one.
That's your sirens.
Oh, shit! Ditch your keys! Go! Jump the fence! Let's go! Go! Let's go! I hear dogs! Let's go! Jesus Christ! Go! They're right behind us! Hurt! Shit, man! Alright, let's go. Go! Oh, okay. Stop pushing me! Hide in the corner, right here. Okay. Stay close. Don't find us here. I don't hear anything. Is the coast clear? Alright, here I go. I don't see anything. Alright, let's go. Alright, I think... Do you have the extra set of keys on you?
What you do with the other set of keys?
I threw in the freaking bush.
Bush.
Oh, ass.
What?
Okay. Nothing. Okay. Let's see. Okay, here.
All right.
So keys right here.
Alright, cool.
These are just as tall as the other ones. They're not jingling.
Alright, these are longer too, so they're perfect. Alright, let's go.
They're just as tall as the other ones. They're not jingling.
That's fine.
Jiggly.
Yeah, that's better.
Alright, ready?
Okay.
Let's jump out the window.
Jump out the window.
Ah, shit, they're waiting for us. Ah, cops. Ah. Ah, not in the eyes, not in the eyes. Run, run, they got me cuffed, run.
Oh God!
Run, you bitch. Run. The end.